tangy, spicy. Wow, Kootu. Too good.
Tasty Thiruvadirai Kootu. Vango, let's cook. First step, chop 7 types of vegetables. We're going to add it to the pressure cooker. Soak groundnuts, tur dal, turmeric powder. We're going to pressure cook this. Let's roast and grind the kootu podi. And add some water and grind it to a smooth paste. Now that our vegetables and dal is cooked, let's temper and add it. I washed the same pressure cooker. I'm adding some oil, mustard seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, tamarind, turmeric powder, salt. Let it cook for 5 minutes, then we'll add the dal. Next we are going to add the ground mixture. Let it boil for 5 minutes and our delicious Thiruvadirai Kootu is now ready to be served.